Hello, crafty friends. If this is your first time viewing, I want to welcome you to my channel. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. Today we are going to talk about our supplies that we need. I don't know if any of you will travel with your supplies and go to like Stamp with a Friend, or maybe go to a crop, or if you're a demonstrator and you're doing an in-person class or something like that. I do a few in-person classes. I have one every month. That's a card class, and then I have my team meetings. And so I have some essential things that I like to take with me, but I don't like them just thrown in my bag. So I have came up with an idea whenever I went to Dollar Tree, I believe it was. I found these cases, and it was $1.25. And I thought, I think that what I need would fit in this. And so these are the supplies that I like to take with me. I like different options of adhesives. So I've got some glue dots, our Stampin' Seal, liquid glue. That is my favorite. And then Stampin' Dimensions. You always need a little extra lift sometimes to make your cards set off from other things. And then I have a ruler. I love bone folders. I can get by without it. If I have a pair of scissors, I'll sometimes use the handle. This is the new pair of scissors that Stampin' Up! Is offering. Honestly, I don't really notice them being any different than the other ones, but other demonstrators say that they are. I also like my Take Your Pick tool. It has the putty end, and I also have it where it's got the pointy piercing end, because I like it for taking the backs off of my Stampin' Dimensionals. And then I have 2 erasers. This is our gum eraser that takes adhesives off. And then this here is the sand eraser. If you happen to get some ink somewhere, because, you know, we stick our fingers in the ink pad whenever we are stamping, and then you get a little bit of ink on your paper that you don't want it there. And so this helps erase some of the little mistakes. So we are here to see if I can get this adhesive and toolkit all into this box. All right, so we'll move these off to the side, and we will work on adding these to the box. Right, so I'm going to set that up like that. And I think this is the bottom, because that other has the hen, or the snaps. All right, so in my mind, I'm going to start with the dimensionals, just because they're larger. And then I think the mini glue dots. How about our Stampin' Seal? Yeah, I think that'll fit there. I think maybe the bone folder could stand up right there, hopefully. And let's see. This is a sand eraser for, like, if you got edges that are they're frayed. I like to have one of those to take the frayness off. Sorry about that, my watch is chiming. And then I think this would go in the bottom. Let's see. Pop that, go like that. And it, I don't know if that's going to fit or not. We'll see. And then I have this ruler. Now this is, depends on, I think, what kind of ruler you have. I have a small one that is a non-shatter. And then this one's a metal one. Let's see if either one of those will fit. Come on. Let's see if I can get this down in here. Maybe I've got it. This isn't going to fit, so let's see if I can make it fit a different way. Hoping this little bump out, maybe it's something to do with that. You just got to work with it, I think, to see if we can get it to fit. In my mind, it fits. So let's see, will that go back there? that in there. See, that fit here? Maybe that way. I think I can get it to fit. I hope I can. And then our gum eraser. Let's see if that one fits. Let's see. I think we're getting close to it fitting. And then that. This one's a little shorter because this has that little extra. And it's a non-shatter, so I'm going to go with it and see if I can get it to work. Or will it fit down here? Ooh, I think it'll fit there. All right, let's see. I want to put this is the end that's the fattest, so I want to hook it. Let's do this one. Will it fit? Oh my goodness. It does. Wasn't certain if it would or not. I'm a little excited. So now then, whenever I go to crafting, see it's all patched. You can see the bottom, how it's just kind of like a puzzle. So I wonder if whenever I go to one of my classes, if I will remember how to put this all back in there. So I hope that helps. And if you are looking for a way to transport all your adhesives and the few tools that you will need, we always need scissors. That, like I said, that take your pick is great. I need rulers quite often. The bone folder, now I can get by without it. I don't like to. And then our erasers, and of course all the adhesives. So I hope that helps to have, you know, all your essentials with you whenever you go on your crafting adventures. So I want to thank you for joining me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow my channel for some other crafting tips and tricks. So until next time, happy stamping.